is your celebration.
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print. Talk fresh.
Good morning. Good morning. Hi guys. How are you guys doing? It is currently about 6 a.m. September 27th. It is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god! My sister just powdered me. Look at it. Hey guys, so I'm back home from work. It was such an awesome day. My students made it so great. They wished me happy birthday. I even got sung my birthday dinner. Yes, it looks all awesome, guys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. What's that, Mom?
This is all mine.
She can't tell me that. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Do this sideways.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3.
You never carry right now.
You can put the wine, please.
Miss, leave me alone. Hi. So we found the other birthday girl. It's our birth weekend. And we're
Past.
and she not still the birth weekend.
Anyway,
same
come
way.
go find mommy and daddy.
Sure.
Then we left them down for down and she come and eat.
I'm still you. But she's smart.
Anyway, I want to pick up you. Before you leave us, we don't look at the car.
So yeah, go sit down and wait for the pic.
I know, but I have to make sure, you know? I know, but I have to make sure.
This is so hard to do.
People must, I wonder, really waste food she go, I can't waste food.
And them stop and you're like, oh.
Okay, get it on video.
When I go away front there.
And you say, oh, then I may ask. Me not ask that. That code came to my
Hey guys,
story.
so we are at Boulevard. As you
Why
see
is
what
that
we're doing at
thing to be
Boulevard.
prepared for the video light?
Me say, then I can't go to China, can't prepare for the video light. China can't do daily vlogging here. Too bad.
Look at.
Exactly.
Look.
Yeah. Anyways, we're at Boulevard. May I try some celebrate my birthday? Alright, hi guys. So we are at Boulevard, and I was trying to tell you guys.
Somebody just called me and I don't know who.
I was trying to tell you guys why we're here. So apparently, I think y'all might know by now that September 27th, which was Wednesday, was my birthday. So didn't get to, you know, go anywhere or anything like that
Because of the rain.
yeah, rain and everything. So we have decided that on Saturday to celebrate it. So yeah, we don't really know what we are doing yet, but someone just called to Shanique and she don't know who. So we can't stand up and try to see who, but we can't apparently see the car yet.
Apparently
So we just
not
wait.
coming over.
Yeah, apparently. Then, because if you know Kingston and how Kingston go on, and all them traffic and all these things go on, you know, say,
Let me see if the text in my
yeah.
phone.
But anyways, somebody in the car apparently know her like well called to, and she don't know them, so
Is it them?
I don't know. But that's a wait, you know? That's a wait. And it hurt me. So I don't know people do them something here. I don't want to care, but we're not even at home. But anyways, so this a walk.
You love me, don't you? Then stop buffering.
Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months. Never